Hi, I'm Homer Tipton, and congratulations and thank you for joining my buyers list. I look forward to working with you and sending you lots of good deals. As I said before, I come across deals all the time that nobody has ever heard of. How do I do this? Well, I have been flipping houses for quite a while now and have several ways to find good deals. Basically, I do a bunch of marketing. I have newspaper ads, I do internet marketing, I do direct mail, I have a bunch of bird dogs that send me deals, I search the MLS, I do pretty much whatever I can to find good deals. Then I send them to my buyers list and try to sell it as is. If nobody buys it, I do the deal myself. It works out pretty well. Now you have a chance to buy one of my wholesale properties or more. You will be the first to know about a deal as soon as I get it. When I send you a deal, I will try to include everything you need to know in order to make an informed decision, including pictures and a video. If you decide that you want to buy one of my properties, you will need to act quick. Most of the deals I send out get snatched up within a day or two because the investors on my list don't mess around. I think most of them may have quit school because of recess because they don't play. If you want to know more about me and what I do, you can visit my blog at homertipton.com. Again, I look forward to working with you in the future, and I wish you lots of success in your real estate business.